Hi, my name is Grayson, and you're watching Kids Garage. This is my first video. It's kind of like an introduction video. I'll be working on old cars, trucks, go-karts, all kind of things, and trying to help you to get them fixed. Today we are working on this. This is my sister, Aliana. We're working on this. It's a 87 S10. We use it as like our farm vehicle. And I already got this. This is a fan, radiator fan, radiator. This is like a scrape thing for the bottom.
And it even says farm.
It even says farm on the door. I took all the hex bolts out of here. There's one more right here. It's already unscrewed. I just need to get it out. There's one here, and then under this water pump bracket, I think there's 1 or 2 bolts for this, and I think then this will come off. I already drained all the antifreeze. I already took the radiator out. I took the front bumper off. Next, I'm gonna remove this harmonic balancer pulley. It holds this on, and then I have to unscrew this one, and it'll be really tight. Probably need an air impact for that, and that's just an impact that runs on air with like an air compressor. And then I should be able to get this and the harmonic balancer off, and then I'll be able to pull the plate that's over the timing chain. Should be able to pull that off. And that's all. Please subscribe if you like this video. Put a thumbs up, and I'll be doing tons of videos like this. This is just my first video. Thank you for watching.